In this video, we are going to see about the tree traversal. So this is one of the operation in a tree. So tree traversal means visiting the each node of the tree. Okay, visiting the each node of the tree. So the tree is a non-linear data structure, and therefore its traversal is different from other linear data structures. So we are dividing the data structure into two types: linear and non-linear. So in the linear data structure, we saw about the queue, stack, and linked list. Okay, so there is a procedure for doing the traversing. But in a non-linear data structure, we are using the different method for doing the traversing. There is only one way to visit the each node element in a linear data structure. That is, from the first value, we will traverse linearly. But in a non-linear data structure, there is multiple ways for traversing each and every node in the tree. So that is breadth first search, and another one is a depth first search. So these are the two methods for doing the traversing. So first you see about the breadth first search. So in a breadth first search, how we are doing in a level wise, we are doing the traversing. So you know what is the level. So the um, zeroth level, it is a root node, and next the child of that root, so that is level 1. The next one is a level 2. So first it will visit the level 0 node. Then next it will visit the level 1 node from left to right. Then third it will visit the level 2 nodes from left to right. So this is the one method. And another one method is a depth first search. So here we will go in one direction up to bottom first, and again we will come back and go to the another direction. So it is categorized into three types. Okay, it is categorized into three types. One is pre-order traversal, in-order traversal, and post-order traversal. So these are the three different methods in the depth first search. So first we will see about the pre-order traversal. So if it is a non-empty binary tree, so we have to follow these three steps for doing the traversing. So that is, first we have to visit the root node, then we have to visit the left subtree, then third is the right subtree. So these are the three steps for doing the pre-order traversal. So for example, consider this tree, it contains only three nodes. So what is the root node? A is the root node. So first is visit the node A. Then what is the left subtree? It is B. So it will visit AB. Then it will visit the right node C. Okay. So A, B, C. Okay. So we will see the algorithm. So this is the algorithm. So in the first step, we are checking the condition while tree is not equal to null. If there is no node, means we don't want to traverse anything. So first it will check while tree is not equal to null. So if it is not equal to null, means what we will do? We will traverse each and every node in the tree. Okay. So the second step, we have to write the tree sensitive data. Then third step, pre-order. We are doing the finding the pre-order for the tree tends to left. That means the left subtree. The next right subtree. So we will see one by one for this sample tree. So here first we are checking the condition while tree is not equal to null. So we are checking the condition while tree is not equal to null. It is not equal to null. So we'll go to the second step, and we have to write tree tends to data. What is tree tends to data? So it is pointing to the root node. So it will A. So this is A. The next step, third step, pre-order tree tends to left. So what happened? It calling the function. So what will happen? We have to find the pre-order for this left subtree. You have to find the pre-order for left subtree. So again we are checking the condition tree tends to data. So it is pointing here tree tends to data is not equal to null. Yes, it is not equal to null. Okay, it is not equal to null. So what we have to do? We have to do the step 2. So it will write the tree tends to data, it is pointing B. So the next node it will set B. Then third step, pre-order tree tends to left. So pre-order tree tends to left. So what it will? Left subtree. It will go to the left subtree. So it will consider this left subtree. And we have to check it. Again we have to check the condition tree is not equal to null. So now it is pointing the D. it is not equal to null. So what it will do in as per step 2, it will write 3 tends to data. What is 3 tends to data? It is D. Then fourth step, pre-order tree tends to left. So what is in a left subtree? It is G is a left subtree. It will check the condition. It is not equal to null. So it will go to the step 2 and it will write tree tends to data. So what is the data? It is G is the data. So it will write G. Then next it will call pre-order tree tends to left. Pre-order tree tends to left. It doesn't have any data. So what it will do? Sorry, it will pre-order tree tends to left. So and it will check the condition tree is not equal to null. Yes, it is not equal to null. Okay, then it will check for the pre-order tree tends to right. It doesn't have anything. Then what it will do, it will again call the function pre-order tree tends to left. Okay, so it will take the D and what is the right? It will call the right function. Pre-order tree tends to right. So here H and L. So now we have to check the condition. The condition is not equal to null. It is true. It will write data tree tends to data. It is H. It will write the H. Then it will call the function pre-order. We call the function pre-order tree tends to left. So here left is null. So it will call the function pre-order tree tends to right. So what is that? It is L. So it will print the L. And again what it will do? It will check the condition tree tends to not equal to null. So what it will do? Again it will call the function. It will write function. So when the write function is called, it will print the value E. It will print the value E. Then again it will call the function tree tends to right. So now we have to do this for this. Okay, so it will write tree tends to data. So it is C. After E it will visit the C. Okay, after E it will visit the C. Then it will call the function pre-order tree tends to left. So here there is no left node. So it will call the function pre-order tree tends to right. So it will check for this. Okay, the function is called, so it will check the condition is true, it will write the data, so it will write the data of the f. Okay, again it will call the function pre tends to left. Okay, so here what is in the left? It is I, so it will read this I. So now it is I. Then next for I that doesn't have a child, so it will call the tree tends to right function. So what is tree tends to right function? This is the tree tends to right function. So what it will write the tree tends to data. What is data? It is J. Then next it will check the condition. It is null. Then it will write the tree tends to data. So what it is pointing? It is K. So it is pointing the K. The next it will call the right function. There is no right. So simply we can write. So first we have to write the root. So first we have to write the root A. Okay, we have to write the root A. Then left subtree. B is the left subtree. B. Then B's left subtree. What is the B's left subtree? It is D. Then D's left subtree. What is left subtree? It is G. Then for G it doesn't have any child. So again we have to go to the D's right subtree. In the right subtree, what is the child? H. And we have to check the H left subtree. It doesn't have left subtree. So the right one, it is L. Then for D we have written. Then B's right subtree. What is the right subtree? It is E. So it is E. Then there is no more child. Then we have to go for the right child. What is the right child? For the A, it is C. So it is C. Then C is left. It doesn't have left child. So it will take the right child. What is the right child? It is F. And what is the left child for F? It is I. Then I's left child, it doesn't have child. So we can go to the right child of the F. What is the right child of the F? It is J. Then left of the J, it is K. Then it will check for the right of the J. It doesn't have. So what is the traversing order? A, B, D, G, H, L, E, C, F, I and J. So this is the pre-ordered traversal.